Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the specified network name is no longer available error. Type Windows features in Windows search bar. Click turn Windows features on or off. Check SMB/CIFS file sharing support. Check SMB/CIFS automatic removal. Check SMB/CIFS client. Check SMB/CIFS server. Click OK. Click Restart now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.